What's going on, guys? Your boy Crypto coming back with another update. The market is bleeding. The market is red, red, red. As you can see, Bitcoin's down 3%. Bitcoin at 68,000 right now. But as you can see, you look at the daily indicators, it's still holding up. It's just trading sideways a little bit. So it ain't over with yet. You know, this is just a little consolidation level. So yeah, I've been seeing a lot of updates about the whales selling. Whales, they got the money. They got the money to make the market move, to be honest. So looking at it on the week, it's up 2% on the week. It's up 10% on a month, and it's up 55% on the 3 month. So yeah, you look at the support levels on the daily chart, it don't look bad. It ain't in a bad shape. You know what I mean? It just look like it's consolidating a little bit after off a big sell off. Let's look at the 5 minute though. Let's look at the 5 minute on here. So the 5 minute is actually it's down, but it ain't too bad. It fell through the support on the 5 minute chart, but yeah. So what would need to happen, as you can see right now, is actually forming it's forming a candlestick upwards already on the 5 minute chart. So it needs to get back up to 69071. Then it need to break these areas right here. So it need to really mainly break the 70,000 range. Break that 70,000 range, and then it'll take off into what we see right here. You see, it's dip right there. It'll take off up into this area, which would be like the 75,000 plus area. But right now, the market is red. It's blood in the streets right now. Red, red. But let's see what they talking about here. They say forget Bitcoin. Altcoins are the winners of this cycle, crypto analysts said. And this is true. Well, if everybody not walking around, with 50,000, 60,000, 100,000, $1 million in their pocket. Some people just trying to get that meme coin money. You know what I'm saying? Some people want to just say, hey, listen, we gonna buy them altcoins. We got 4 zeros on them, and anywhere from 4 to 6 zeros, and we gonna hold them and see what they gonna do. Our eyes look to be on the flagship crypto, Bitcoin ahead of the Bitcoin halving, as market analysts predict further upside moves for the crypto token. However, crypto analyst John Pizzino recently made a strong case for altcoins like Ethereum, Solana, and why much focus should be placed on them. Because see, this is where majority of the money really being made. The institutions, they got Bitcoin, they holding the big dog. You see what I'm saying? But it's cool to have Bitcoin. But it's so much more money you could be really getting in the crypto market. You see what I'm saying? So Pizzino suggested in his YouTube video that Ethereum could experience a breakout in the coming months. This came following his analysis of ETH, in which he noted that Bitcoin was currently taking the spotlight with a new all-time high, while ETH looks to be consolidating. As highlighted by the analyst, this is similar to the previous bull run when ETH consolidated while Bitcoin was hitting new all-time highs. However, ETH experienced a significant rise after then, while Bitcoin cooled off. As such, if history were to repeat itself, ETH could once again enjoy a trend reversal soon enough to make a parabolic move upside. ETH is gonna go up. ETH is gonna go back up. There's no doubt about that. So Pizzino also mentioned Solana as another altcoin that could potentially move to new prices. As you see in my previous videos, I talk about Solana being compared to ETH all the time. I say Solana is pretty much just like ETH. So, if you ain't got turned on, did no research to Solana, you might want to go and look into Solana. In the last bull run, the crypto token also experienced significant moves to the downside as Bitcoin hit new all-time highs. However, a trend reversal quickly followed afterward, with Solana enjoying moves to the upside. Therefore, Solana, like ETH, could be primed for price surges if history were to repeat itself. Pizzino added that this is time to be aware and see any price dip as an opportunity, a buying opportunity. That's what I'm telling you. When it's red right now, this is a buying opportunity. Load the bags because it's coming. ETH showing some strength. Crypto analyst Michael Pizzino sentiments in a post on X while he was pretty much talking about most of this on on X platform, formerly Twitter. But at the end of the day, if it's red like that, and it's a buying opportunity, get ready. Get ready. Let's take a look at BlackRock. BlackRock is a big dog, you know. They buying up Bitcoin. They buying it all up. So let's see what's going on with it. BlackRock buying it all up. So let's see what's going on. So as you can see, BlackRock, you know what I'm saying, is the big dog. They like a big a big finance firm or whatever. So they down as well, but they ain't down a whole lot. You know what I'm saying? So they going pretty much for like $827 per share. You know what I mean? And they issuing the dividends out. So if you can get like, you know, a couple of those BlackRocks and get those dividend payouts and roll it back in, you can drip invest and whatever. BlackRock is a good one to get. You know what I mean? So we could take a look at BlackRock. Let's see what they talking about on the 3 hours here. So they say right here why BlackRock is a great dividend stock right now. Because I mean, it's the big dog, man. It invested in everything. Plus they got a lot of stuff going on. They got a lot of stuff going on with Bitcoin. So I mean, you look at what they got going on so far with Bitcoin. So you can see right here the focus on Bitcoin in Q1. And Q1 overshadows broadening of a U.S. ETF landscape. So the birth of spot Bitcoin exchange traded funds and the quest for new ways to invest in artificial intelligence overshadow other trends in the broader ETF market in the first quarter. But analysts says other themes like single country ETFs and bonds ETFs are likely to play out through 2024. So BlackRock loading up on those ETFs. You know, they're just telling you how everything's pretty much gonna grow. You know, in the Q1 as we moving into like Q2. So I mean, yeah, it's gonna get real with Bitcoin. It's just a matter of time. You know, like they doing a lot of work with them. So Bitcoin's historic market cycle nearing end with the halving event. Experts say crypto markets are undergoing major changes as Bitcoin values continue to climb, reaching unprecedented heights. The question arises whether the traditional 4-year market cycle that has characterized its growth is near its conclusion. What happened? Bitcoin's traditional 4-year market cycle may be disrupted by new market players and mechanisms. CoinFlip CEO Daniel suggests a recent OP for CoinDesk. As Bitcoin approaches its next halving event, they point out that the crypto market may be on the verge of a significant change. The cycle historically associated with the price surges post-halving could be altered by the entrance of ETFs. So this right here was on March 29th. They basically saying it's going to really change. This is what's going to help drive the price. This is what's going to help, you know what I'm saying, Bitcoin get on up into 80,000, 90,000, 100,000. Those ETFs is going to drive that price all the way up. You see what I'm saying? Because it's actually have the ETF that's backing it. You know, so it's going to be different than before. Before, you know, it was just big. It was by itself. You know, it just really had all the other tokens as well with it. But, I mean, now you got the ETF. And, like I say, Bitcoin value has recently soared, reaching new heights above 73,000, driven by the approval of the spot Bitcoin ETF. And it did go high. You know what I mean? So it went high. Despite the bullish outlook, there are concerns. Tighter monetary policy, economic slowdowns, and upcoming halving impact on Bitcoin mining could pose challenge to the trajectory. Political factors such as 2024 U.S. election could also influence the market directly with regulatory changes. So, you see what I'm saying? So whatever's going on in the world, you know, it's tied in with Bitcoin, man. You know, whatever they got going on, you know, election, stuff like that, political factor, regulatory, stuff get regulated. You know, there's all type of changes going to be going on with Bitcoin. But as you can see, BlackRock is the big dog. You know what I'm saying? BlackRock. So it's just like if you got BlackRock, you know, that's something to invest into. They dumping a lot of money in there. They dumping a lot of money into Bitcoin. So you have to see how they both come together, you know. And when you hear the CEO, you know what I'm saying, he's speaking. So, yeah, you got to definitely pay attention to what's going on and how they buying stuff up. So when people say whales, they mean like financial institutions, the big dogs, you know what I'm saying, like BlackRock, Google, you know, it's out to Grayscale, you know, names like that. They basically buying up Bitcoin or whatever. So, I mean, yeah, that's just a quick update. That's a quick update on Bitcoin. So I mean, yeah, I mean, you gotta keep your eyes on the market. Like I said, the market is Black Friday right now. It's Black Friday. It's Black Friday in April, pretty much. So if you ain't have a chance to get in right now, you should definitely be loading the bags. It's because the market is gonna change. It's gonna go up. It's gonna go back up real fast. As you can see, Bitcoin was just at like 68.6. It's at 68.9 already. So when you look back on here, and you know what I mean, and probably like I say by midnight or tomorrow or late this evening, it's probably gonna be a whole nother. It's gonna change. It's gonna switch over. Everything gonna start to go back green. Cause like I say, you got the Bitcoin halving. It's really gonna go crazy because they have the they basically had a halving right on I think at the 20th. So the market gonna go crazy. The ETF's gonna go crazy. So yeah, that's just a quick update on there. I'm out of here just like yesterday. Like, subscribe, share the videos, you know. Try to go ahead and get us up. You know, we doing our thing on TikTok. We just hit 1.1 million views in the past 28 days on TikTok. So we trying to go and get YouTube floating. But it look like it's coming. I see a lot of value, you know what I mean? So yeah, we out here just like yesterday.